I'm a UX designer on Daydream, Google's virtual reality platform. In the lead up to releasing Daydream last year, our team faced many challenges, and one of those challenges that was particularly tricky was designing for screens in VR, making sure that text was easily readable, that buttons were easily clickable, and lists were easily scrollable.
Speaking all about usability and user experience, being a user experience designer, I'm pretty sure now you are understanding that what this video is going to be about. So just stay with me and I'll just complete this video, okay? So guys, as I mentioned in the intro of this video, that this guy is speaking all about designing the visuals and designing the experience for the AR and VR space. So that basically I assume gives a glimpse of what this video is going to be about. And yes, it's going to be all about how the VR and AR, augmented reality and virtual reality are dominating the IT industry, and all about the event which happened on 11th of August 2018. So just a quick glimpse about what happened yesterday, which is 11th of August 2018. This event was hosted by Headstart Startup Ahmedabad. It was held at IIMA in Ahmedabad, and yeah, I mean, these guys are really awesome, and they just pull out some really good resources from the market, who eventually becomes the speakers, and they speak about all the things which are happening in the industry and whatsoever. So first of all, a quick intro about what is AR and VR. Augmented reality, virtual reality, the terms are obviously there is always a short form and there is always an elaborated form of the same. However, these two terms are quite different from each other. Virtual reality is the space wherein the real things doesn't exist at all. You have to wear some sort of wearables which are been developed by Sony, PSPs, and HTC Vive. They are called virtual reality headsets and AR headsets, and that is the one which helps you get into this three-dimensional space wherein no things are real, but you feel like you are a part of a game, or you are part of such an environment which doesn't exist in this universe, but is something been developed in the 3D environment by all sort of designers and animators and all sort of things. About augmented reality, it lies all towards the place wherein there are some real objects as well, but on top of that, all these 3D aspects and 3D elements are being hosted on that. So what happens is, let's say that you are sitting on in a room full of people, and somehow this augmented reality augments one of the 3D objects, such as a car or an alien in front of you. But that is only possible once you wear these devices, these VR and AR headsets, so that you can interact with the same. There are multiple demos available on internet as well. I will really like to link all of them, the YouTube videos of that, in this description down below. But let's speak more about what happened yesterday. So that was all about the AR and VR intro. Now and also the host, where, as I said, the Headstart Startup of Ahmedabad, Headstart Startup from Ahmedabad, they are hosting all sort of events throughout India, as they are mentioned. Yesterday's event was happening simultaneously in more than 15 cities at one place. There were three speakers, out of which one was Mr. Hardik Desai. He is the founder of Melzo, and the startup or the company is from Surat. They started this business. They founded the company in 2016. What do? Is they are helping all sort of business, all sort of small scale, huge scale, large scale, whether it's travel, whether it's medical, whether it's transports, to help market their product or their service from the AR and VR point of view. I'll note down the website. I'll share the link in this video as well, so that you can always interact with the same. Obviously, you will see the videos of AR and VR first, so that you can grasp some basic knowledge apart from my words, and then go and interact on their website. But whatever they were doing, it was amazing, outstanding. That was all about VR, AR, Melzo, Hardik Desai, and Headstart Startup. Now, something about user experience. Now when I say user experience, I'm literally leaning towards the point which I asked and the communication that we had within us, right? So my question to Hardik Desai was pretty simple, that are you guys leveraging user experience design or probably user experience thought process when it comes to designing your product? Those are very good answers given by him, that now they are elevating their platform, now they are redesigning their platform, and for the same they are looking forward to consultants or the user experience guys who can help them consult in the appropriate manner. Other than that, he also mentioned that the time of designing for interfaces for 2D screens is gonna go very soon. It's time we buckle up and start leveraging our efforts in terms of designing for virtual reality and augmented reality, so that whenever this time comes wherein people will be looking for such sort of designers, gets in touch with us and somehow we help them, just like we did since last couple of decades or probably more than that, in resolving any sort of designing experience for our customers and their services. That was one thing. Other than that, my takeaway specifically from this event will be to leverage my skills in terms of VR and AR. So yes, I will be working on their platforms at the very prior stage, because they said that they are also offering the services wherein you can design your own website. Now just imagine having your own website in an augmented reality or a virtual reality space, right? That is something which is booming. Now that is something which might what do you say, impress the recruiter or the HR or whosoever are watching your websites at the very first place. That is something that I'm gonna elaborate more. That is something that I'm gonna work on it, and I'm also looking forward to collaborating with these guys by helping them in terms of resolving their user experience issues, just figuring out how does the normal user behaves when they come to their platform. They are currently offering beta, but they will very soon launch the well designed, well developed tool for their overall customers, and like the B2C product. So that was all about the VR, AR, user experience in VR and AR. And yeah, I look forward to listening your thoughts in terms of what do you think about this video. Would you like to discuss more about the same? Add your comments below. Hit the subscribe button, like, dislike your video, cause obviously you are the audience, you are the god, and I cannot bias the content according to that. Sorry for that. But yeah, just go on. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know your comments, and I'll be more than happy to discuss the same with you. And yeah, I look forward to it. But so far, so now, I'll just go and do some of my work, which is really important right now. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.